Welcome back. Telluride showcases La Crosse's new 24-hour mental health crisis center today. The Jackson House will provide immediate help for people in crisis with nurses, clinicians, and peer support specialists on site. It's one of 5 new regional crisis facilities across Wisconsin. The public can tour the Jackson Street facility and meet the staff during today's open house from 4 to 7. Decades of leaded gasoline may be linked to millions of mental health conditions across the country. A new study shows the exposure accelerated the onset of disorders in at-risk individuals. Researchers say this widespread exposure happened before the U.S. started phasing out leaded gas in the 1980s. The first week of December is National Hand Washing Awareness Week. It is a time to remind people how good hand hygiene can prevent the spread of many illnesses, especially this time of year. Danya Backus has more.
We expect the winter surge of viruses like flu and COVID-19 in the coming weeks. And one simple way to protect ourselves and our loved ones is to wash our hands.
Germs cause illnesses, especially respiratory and diarrheal illnesses. Hand washing is a really good way to prevent the spread of germs.
Dr. Neha Vyas of the Cleveland Clinic says many of us are not washing our hands as often as we should be. Wash hands before and after preparing food, after using the bathroom, after taking out the garbage, if taking care of pets and small children, and if caring for someone who is sick.
I'll turn the water on.
Dr. Vyas shows us the steps of good hand hygiene. Wet hands, apply soap and lather.
Being sure to include the back of my hands, my wrists, and in between my fingernails too.
Scrub hands for at least 20 seconds or sing happy birthday twice. Rinse well and then use a clean towel to dry.
If your hands are wet, it actually promotes the spread of germs.
Dr. Vyas says parents and caregivers should teach these good habits to children to carry with them as adults.
It's important as a parent to model this good behavior and wash your hands so that the children will also do so. Also, children tend to carry a little more bacteria and viruses than do adults because they tend to put their hands everywhere.
And while hand washing is best, if you're in a pinch and don't have access to soap and water, hand sanitizer is a good alternative.
A lot of hand washing in the winter months can lead to dry, cracked hands. Doctors say use a high-quality hand cream or lotion after washing to help prevent that. A new hospital is in the works for Lake Hallie after the Chippewa Valley Health Cooperative announced a land purchase agreement. The co-op plans to share more details about the new full-service hospital at a community meeting Monday night. That meeting will start at 6 at the Heidi Center. Doors open at 5:15.